Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Sure, here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to install CUDA on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS along with code examples. Step 1. Verify GPU compatibility. Before installing CUDA, make sure your GPU is CUDA enabled. You can check the list of CUDA-enabled GPUs on the NVIDIA website. Step 2. Update system packages. Ensure that your system is up to date by running the following commands. Step 3. Install dependencies. CUDA requires some dependencies to be installed on your system. Run the following command to install them. Step 4. Download CUDA Toolkit. Go to the NVIDIA CUDA Toolkit download page, https://developer.nvidia.com/CUDA-downloads, and download the appropriate version for Ubuntu 22.04. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, you can use the following command to download CUDA 11.4. Step 5. Install CUDA Toolkit. Install the downloaded CUDA Toolkit using the following commands. Step 6. Set environment variables. Add CUDA to your system's path and update the ld_library_path. Step 7. Verify installation. Check if CUDA is installed successfully by running the following commands. These commands should display the CUDA version and information about your NVIDIA GPU. Step 8. Install cuDNN, optional. If you are planning to do deep learning, you may want to install cuDNN. Download cuDNN from the NVIDIA website and follow their installation instructions. Congratulations! You have successfully installed CUDA on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Now you can start developing and running CUDA applications on your system. ChatGPT.